Hazrat Auf bin Malik Ashjar radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The best rulers of yours are those whom you love and who love you, for whom you seek pardon and who seek pardon for you. And the worst rulers of yours are those for whom you harbor malice and who harbor malice against you, whom you curse and who curse you." The companions radiyallahu anhum said that they submitted, "Shouldn't we depose them with swords?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No, as long as they continue establishing prayer amongst you. No, as long as they continue establishing prayer amongst you. Here can the person over whom a ruler has been appointed, and then he finds the ruler indulge in disobedience to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He should thereupon condemn the act which he does in disobedience to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and should not withdraw his hand from the ruler's obedience." Ibn Jabir states, "When Ruzaiq bin Hayyan narrated this hadith to me, I said, 'O Abu Miqdam, I adjure you by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, whether someone has narrated this hadith to you, or you yourself heard this hadith from Muslim bin Qaraza, who heard it from Auf, and he says that he heard it from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam.' Then Ruzaiq genuflected and facing the Qibla and said, 'By him saves whom there is no worthy of worship, I heard this hadith from Muslim bin Qaraza, he from Hazrat Auf bin Malik, and he says that he heard it from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam.'" Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4782.